my God. If you are involved in adultery, stop it. If you are cheating on your wife, God sent me to you. And this is how you will know that I am called of God. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I'm not joking. It is a warning from God. And I didn't plan it. If you are cheating on your husband, stop it. If you are messing with other people's children, stop it. If you are sleeping around, stop it. Judgment is coming. Stop it. If you are wasting other people's children, stop it. For whatsoever a man soweth, Galatians 6 and verse 9, that shall he also reap. Genesis 8:22, for as long as the earth remaineth, seed, time, harvest. And I'm a woman, I empower women. Let me tell you this. Biologically speaking, every woman is the same. There's nothing in any woman's private parts that is not in your wife's own. When my husband met me, I was one village girl. He rebranded me. Rebrand your wife. My husband would say, I want you to wear jeans. He will buy it and give me. I saw it and I liked it. This is for you. Rebrand your wife and stop messing around.